As a presiding juror, we have to vote on behalf of the plaintiffs. The plaintiffs are the several patients who were violated with their charts being flagged with red stickers marked AIDS. Why would this be necessary? If you as healthcare providers practice universal precautions on every patient, then flagging the charts would not be necessary, and these violations would have been avoided. AU Bright Smiles was in violation of HIPAA. The charts of patients were marked with a red sticker marked AIDS. These charts were seen by other patients. Say, for instance, of the patients that saw them, recognize one of the names as someone they knew. And then that gets spread out to other people that they know. People are more sensitive when it comes to AIDS disclosures. There are always steps that can be done to be absolutely sure that everyone practices compliance with HIPAA. About HIV/AIDS. Whenever confidentiality information is inappropriately disclosed, it can create family and social stress, employment issues, and even housing issues. The Privacy Act provides no agency shall disclose any record which is contained in a system of records by any means of communication to any person or to any other agency except pursuant to a written request by or with the prior written consent of the individual to whom the record pertains, unless disclosure of the record would be a list of exceptions. Privacy Act of 1974. The law does say that all patients have every right to sue. Medical providers, if their information is not properly locked up and safe. This is something that goes on in society, and when it comes to the patient's health information, physicians and staff are supposed to be sure that all personal information stay hidden away and is not given out to any third party without the patient's permission. It is quite logical that a patient can recognize a patient's name on the chart, and seeing the red sticker marked AIDS is truly violating the patient's rights. These regulations help with protecting employees, resources, patients, and health care. Without these regulations, everyone's privacy is at risk. With all the proper laws set in place and those to enforce them, everyone will feel safer with providing much needed information for physicians and healthcare facilities. Violations for individuals who really did not know he or she had violated HIPAA. $100 violations, annual max of $25,000 for those repeat violators. The above penalties are considered civil penalties. Willful neglect, but corrected within time, is a $10,000 violation. But when you misuse personal health information for personal financial gain, has a fine of up to $250,000 and imprisonment for up to 10 years. Well, I don't believe that AU Smiles intentionally did this, but I do believe that this is a violation because it did not protect those patients' information. So with that being said, I'm ruling in favor of the plaintiff. Thank you.